Hi there, this is Fran with Brightwing Exteriors. So on this project, we had wood soffits and wood fascia up there that had been damaged due to water penetration. The solution's real simple. We're going to take the old fascia off, we're going to remove the old soffit. When we remove the old fascia, we're going to take a look at what's underneath it. That's going to be called the subfascia. Typically, a subfascia is just a piece of lumber. It's a 2x4. At this home, there was a lot of damage to the subfascia. That lumber had to be removed from the overhang itself and then replaced with fresh lumber. So after we replaced all that lumber and put fresh 2x4s back in there as the subfascia, then we were able to install new Hardie trim as the fascia. Soffit's fairly simple. You remove the old soffit and then replace it. Prior to installation, we're going to install an insect screen on the back side of the soffit. Once it's all installed, we're going to caulk it and we're going to paint it with high quality Sherwin-Williams super paint. So after the fascia and soffit is painted, then you have the option to install gutters. Gutters are not always required, but typically we do recommend them and we provide that service. We'd love to hear from you at 512-323-0124, or please visit our website at brightwingcustom.com.